read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamu alaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today in the class, we taught to the students number 16. But don't tell them, don't visualize them before counting these objects. So, we will count these buttons today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 buttons. After that, you will visualize number 16. Which number is this? This is number 16. 16 buttons. Now, count the paras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 paras. Very good. There are 4 cars. Let's count the wheels of 4 cars. Very good. 16 wheels. Wow. Start from the first line. Come straight down. It will make number 1. Start from the dot. Go down and round. Down and round. Number 6. 10 and 6, 16. 10 and 6, 16. 16 paras. I hope so you enjoyed a lot and you will teach at home same like this. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.